Nilang bakbakan. Oh, ayun na. Suntukan na.
So yun na nga mga sports, TNT Tropang 5G versus Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Napakaganda ng kanilang laro mga sports dahil naglabanan ang dalawang import ng magkabilang panig. Si Jones kumamada ng 33 points kaso nakakuha ng matinding foul trouble dahil nagpisikalan sa player ng TNT Tropang 5G. Yan tuloy na eject sila sa laro in the fourth quarter. Habang si Bolbol medyo kumamada naman ng double-double sa kanyang rebound, blocks at points kaso medyo naninibago pa siya sa kanyang unang debut ng kanilang laro. Habang si Coach Yeng Giao, tama lahat ng prediction niya patungkol sa kanyang head coach challenge, habang si Coach Tat Reyes hype na hype sa first quarter pero nung second to third to fourth quarter medyo natamlay siya. Halika tignan natin mga sports ang iilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
By as many as 17, I believe. And then, Youngson missing a three. Look at that! Oh! We need to close this period strong ang Rain or Shine. Get a bit closer. Noko. Jumper rolls out. Johnson gets it. Puts it back. Has really come alive, but now it's with Johnson. He's against Bull. Left it for Youngson. Up fake. The drive and then gives it to the other side of the lane. Let's check it.
Go back to the post, which is what he should be doing.
There you go.
Why are you playing outside move?
Malonzo nakawala!
You know, guys, I think it is scoring. Not a nice play.
There's ball. Another layup. Makabasket dito. Tabla na tayo. Baka lamang pa nga ang Rain or Shine. If it's Johnson who makes it, might be a three. No, the hook shot. Oh! Ties it up. 68. And Ciso, a guy who can get you points if you get him free. Sabay drop. Oh! Nice play from second quarter.
Important. Forcing the swings. Nice drop.
Kalen again. Back-to-back hoops for Tio.
Like the terra firma impulse.
Oh, si PJ.
When he's working, he's working.
There's Bull attacking the basket. We're going back and forth and back and forth.
Yeah.
Long rally. Here Castro able to get the
Nice pick again. No? And then open na naman siya.
Johnson.
Yes. Open na naman siya. Courting that, all of that movement, ball movement.
Tonto yung bench. Tayuan lahat ng e-painters. Nice pass again from Simon and Cisa, who's really come in and inject into that time run. Oh! Blocked away. Villegas 3. Good! You're gonna get the ball back no matter what anyway. Castro will go straight in. Tried to get the foul. Got the basket anyway. The creator.
They're forcing the switch.
He's got the big man on him. He'll drive. Off the glass. Gets it to go. Looking to shoot. They go to Bull. Oh, they're gonna give their import a chance. He's short. And Rain or Shine.
Kung nagustuhan mo mga sports ang update natin ngayon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball, habang nanunood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!